how to upload a theme zip file on your Shopify store. So once you have logged into your Shopify store page here, the dashboard, we want to click on Online Store, and then this will automatically take us to the themes page. If we scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see your current theme here, as well as your theme library. All we have to do is click on Add Theme here, and we can upload the zip file. So click on Upload Zip File, and then Add File, and locate your theme zip file here. So we will search for all files. For example, if this is the theme, we want to click on Add, and this should begin uploading your zip file, your Shopify theme zip file, and then you can just click on Upload here, and it will add the theme right here. It's not adding because this was just an image file that I created, but that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.